Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python and MySQL connectivity. Suppose we have written the above code for creating a database and then creating a table into MySQL, and we want to execute it. So by pressing F5 button on your keyboard, you see this error is coming up. So this means the MySQL connector is not installed in your Python. That means first of all you have to install MySQL connector in Python. So the easiest way to check whether this is installed in your Python or not, you have to go to the command prompt. First of all you open command prompt just by typing cmd, and then open the command prompt and type pip over here. So once you have entered pip, you will see that pip is also not installed. That means while installing Python you have skipped it. So first of all you have to install pip. For installing pip, go to the Python software which you have just installed, double click on it, go to the modify option. See over here, pip is unchecked. This means that pip is not included in the Python software. Click it, it will be selected. Just press next button now and install. So this is how you can install the pip. Once it is installed, recheck it again by going to the command prompt by typing cmd and then selecting it again, and then type pip to check whether it is installed or not. So now you can see that it has been installed. Second thing, now you have to check whether your MySQL connector is installed or not, or it is rather not installed, because if it had been installed you would not have been getting this mysql.connector error. So it is not installed in your system. The first thing you have to do is you have to install it by typing the pip command. Now for installing MySQL connector in Python, we have to install it through pip command. Now the command for installing MySQL connector in Python is pip install mysql connector python. After typing this command, press enter. So once you press enter, you have to keep in mind that your computer should be connected with the internet. Otherwise, your MySQL connector is not going to install. So once that particular MySQL connector is installed in your computer, you are going to get this message: successfully installed MySQL connector Python 8.0.2. Now it also shows that the version of the Python is not up to the mark. You can upgrade it. So upgrading the Python pip by just typing this command, you can upgrade it. Once again, upgrading also requires the internet connection. Otherwise, the upgrading will also be not possible. The new version has been now installed. The new version is 20.2.4 and the previous version was 20.2.3, which was successfully uninstalled and the new version was installed. So this is how we have first of all installed our MySQL connector with Python and then upgraded our pip version. After this, we should close this window and recheck the same command which we were executing earlier. Now the same command we are executing it again by pressing the F5 key from the keyboard. Now it doesn't show any error message. That means we have successfully executed the command. That means one thing we have to keep in mind, that the username is root of MySQL and the password provided by you should also be the same which you have given in MySQL. Otherwise you will be getting the error message again, password mismatch. That means the password, you should remember that this is that password which we have given in MySQL. So that password is going to change maybe in your case. So that password, whatever password you have kept in MySQL, you will be using that, and then the remaining commands are as it is.